Local news for Monday the 12th of August. Greater Wellington Regional Council plans to improve the region's rail network with longer distance rolling stock upgrading Wairarapa and Capital Connection fleets already underway. Greater Wellington Sustainable Trust Committee Chair Barbara Donaldson says the biggest issue facing the region's rail network is providing sufficient capacity to meet future demand. The network reached annual patronage high of 14.3 million passengers in June of this year. Foodstuffs North Island has announced the supreme winners and finalists for its annual Co-op Awards and the awards celebrating supermarket excellence. Foursquare Matamara was named as a finalist. Around 50 people attended the Waipoua Community Catchment Group meeting held yesterday at Lakeview School. The group are being asked to take over managing the river and the urban reach by the Masterton District and Greater Wellington Regional Councils. Lynn Patterson, Adrian Staples and Graham McClymont, as well as others, spoke at the meeting. And in sport, Dalefield will contest the Wellington Premier Hockey title after beating Nainai Saturday 7-3. And the Wairarapa Bush Under-20s have won the Hurricanes Youth Council Championship for the first time, beating Honowhenua Kapiti 23-22. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.